What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best baby bassinets 2022, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Gender-neutral bassinet is simple in style, but it's complex in its advanced technology. It allows you to calm baby down as you take care of things around the home or kick back with some Netflix. Bridgerton beckons. We get it. How does it work? It lulls your little one back to sleep with gentle rocking motions. It's not the hard sway of the cradles of the past. Instead, it's more like what they would get if they were, say, in their magical car seat. It's the barest back and forth, and babies love it. The bassinet is super light, so you can bring it with you from room to room. Plus, it responds to your baby's motions, so it'll start rocking your baby when they start fussing. We love the soft, meshy sides that are smooth, and won't get baby's tiny toes or fingers trapped. Number 4. This 4Moms Mamaru bassinet is one of the highest tech bassinets on the market. It has 5 separate motions, 5 speeds, and 4 sounds. Plus, it can operate on a timer. It's powered by Bluetooth, enabling parents to choose the best combination that works for their baby. The smooth mesh sides and firm surface make it as safe for the littlest ones. Imagine your baby starts to fuss, but it's hours before they should wake. All you do is open an app on your phone, turn on some sound and a little sway, and boom, your baby is back in dreamland. At least, that's the goal. It's a lofty one, but darn it, aim high, mama. Number 3. If you're looking for the top-of-the-line innovation for your bassinet, in an attractive mid-century modern design, you can't beat the Snoo. This bassinet senses when your little one is making newborn sounds, like grunting or just simply crying. The bassinet will then gently swing and rock the baby while also playing white noise for even more soothing. The Snoo features convenient parent controls that can remotely adjust its motion, sound, and cry sensitivity via an app on their tablet or smartphone. The app also tracks baby's sleep progress and will alert parents if their baby needs more attention. All of these smart features contribute to the high price, but notably, Snoo also offers a rental program to make it more accessible and affordable for parents. Number 2. Lightweight, stylish and spacious, the Carly bassinet is every new parent's dream come true. One of its standout features is its portability. Weighing 12.4 pounds, it comes with a no-tool assembly and a lightweight aluminum frame, which allows you to move it from room to room. Thanks to a quick folding mechanism, you can carry it outdoors without any hassle and use it there as well. You'll never be short of space with the Carly bassinet. It is spacious and airy and comes with an adjustable double canopy that keeps nasty bugs and curious pets at bay. Your baby's essentials are never far away thanks to the attached large storage bag. It comes in 9 beautiful finishes to blend in with any nursery theme. It is made of easy-to-clean soft and safe polyester foam fabric. It comes with a dual-sided 1-inch thick mattress pad as recommended by the ASTM-CPSC. Number 1. The Halo Bassinets Swivel Sleeper Premier Series is our favorite pick because this baby bassinet has many features both baby and parents and caregivers will love. This bassinet offers a soft spot for your baby to sleep and also a nightlight and floor light, a sound machine with volume control, and 2 vibration levels to help with soothing. The bassinet bed rotates 360 degrees so you can easily access your baby without disturbing them. There are 2 storage pockets for any necessities, and a fitted sheet is included. It's safe for a baby to sleep in immediately after birth and has a weight limit of 20 pounds. One downside to note is that this bassinet doesn't have wheels, which can make sliding out of bed quietly kind of tricky. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.